Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be going to KL. I was there last week and it seems that things are getting back to normal in KL. So I'll be going to Bukit Bintang. Maybe I'll go to KLCC as well. And if we have time, I'll explore the nightlife in KL, Changkat. So stay tuned and watch the video until end to explore KL city with me. Alright. Hi guys, we have arrived in KL Central. This is the central for the trains in KL. So from here we'll take another train to go to Bukit Bintang. Yeah, I'll show you guys what services they have here. This is the central for transportation in KL. They even have train to go airport from here and to all around KL city. Even they have train services to go to the north side, Penang, Kedah, and also towards the south, which is Seremban, Port Dickson, and yeah. This is basically the transportation center. They even have bus services here. You can take bus transportation, and there's also taxis. Taxi if you want to go to your hotel or anywhere around KL. So basically this is the terminal. It's called KL Central. Yeah, so if you guys wants to travel anywhere around KL, you can come here. From here you can take a train which links to any part of KL. You can even go to Batu Cave. So that is about this place, KL Central. I'll show you around what they have here, but I don't think I'm allowed to vlog in KL Central, but I'll show you how much I can show you. Hope I can vlog as much in this place. Alright guys. Hi guys, so this is KL Central. This place is connected to a mall which is called NU Central. I'll show you guys. That's the stairs going to the mall. They even have LRT service here, which is going to several parts of KL and even Subang. They even have KLIA Transit, the train which goes to KLIA. This is the place to get a train to go KLIA, and there are also bus services and taxi services once you go out of this place, or maybe you can ask the general counter. So I'll be taking monorail to go Bukit Bintang. Alright, yeah guys, let's follow me. I'll be passing by the mall. From the mall, we'll take monorail to go Bukit Bintang. Hi guys, so this is the annual Central Mall. From here I'll be taking monorail to go Bukit Bintang. I'll show you guys what's happening around in Bukit Bintang, the mall, Pavilion, the Bukit Bintang street. Yeah, so let's follow me, I'll show you guys. That's the monorail station. You guys can see at the back of me. Yeah, that's the station, monorail station in NU Central. So we're gonna go buy the ticket and go to Bukit Bintang. Guys, yeah, so we are at the monorail station. It's very important to check in everywhere in Malaysia. Like if you wanna go to other stations or any shop, they have this app called My Sejahtera. So you have to every time check in once you are going to the place, like how we did earlier. So I'll be taking the train to go Bukit Bintang. Once we are in Bukit Bintang, I'll show you guys what's happening around there. Let's go there. Hi guys, we have arrived in Bukit Bintang. Let's follow me. I'll show you guys what's happening around the Bukit Bintang street. Guys, this is the Bukit Bintang street. As you can see, the crowd is back in the city again. The shops are open, the crowd is back, but then of course we have to wear masks and take the precaution step. But the main thing is that the city is getting back to normal. Yeah, there's a lot of things to see here. I'll be going to the Pavilion mall, so you can see what's happening around there as well. Yeah, I heard there's Turkish ice cream along the way, so maybe we'll experience that. Alright guys, this is the Arabic shop you can see behind me, and I'll show you the Turkish ice cream. This is the Turkish ice cream, man. Hello, how much for the 10 ringgit with the ice cream show? Okay, what flavor you guys have?
Chocolate, vanilla, mango, strawberry and caramel.
You can mix?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Finally, she got her ice cream. Well, that was the Turkish ice cream. I'll be heading to Pavilion now. Pavilion is right in front of me. I'll show you.
Ada butik kan?
Few months ago, this place was really empty. It was like a ghost city. So I'm pretty surprised and also happy to see that the city is getting back to normal. The people are all here. The malls are all open, but then it's also important to take the precaution step, like wearing the mask. So I see everyone is wearing the mask, but then it's very nice to see everyone is coming back to the city. And yeah, this is Bukit Bintang. Yeah, there's a lot of things to see here. I'll show you. Stay tuned and keep watching this video.